What if I told you, your hiccups might come from ancient animals that lived 300 million years ago? A hiccup happens when your diaphragm suddenly spasms and pulls air into your lungs, then your vocal cords snap shut, making the famous hic sound. But here's the weird part. Scientists believe this reflex may come from our evolutionary past. Amphibians like frogs breathe using a similar reflex motion, meaning your hiccups might be a leftover survival mechanism from ancient creatures. So the next time you hiccup, your body might be repeating a reflex that started hundreds of millions of years ago. Crazy, right?